Minor County in east central South
New tornado
Dakota
warning.
until 2:15 a.m.
Last storm for the night.
At 1:52 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Canova, or 22 miles west of Lake Herman State Park, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicating location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Canova and Vilas around 1:55 a.m.
Dangerous storms.
Howard around 2 a.m.
Take cover.
Winford around 2:05 a.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Lake Herman State Park and Ramona. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:15 a.m. for the following counties: